Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all guys doing? I hope everyone is doing good. So this video is gonna be about the three powerful magic words. So those are please, sorry, and thank you. We often forget using them in our real life, guys. We often tend to complain more and we do not speak positively at all. We are not kind to the people we are talking, and that is absolutely something which is really bad. Okay, we should talk to people more politely, more empathetically. We should understand their feelings as well, and being more polite in conversations actually makes you a very good human being and a conversationalist. Okay, so I'll be giving situations in which you have to say sorry, in which you have to politely ask for please, and you have to say thank you as well. If somebody gives you a compliment, if somebody gives you a gift, you need to say thank you to them, guys. Somebody buys you something, somebody gives you something and makes you feel special, you should always feel thankful for them in your real life. You know that a moment of gratitude you need to have. You need to be really grateful for the friends, family, and the people around you. And if somebody gives something to you, maybe materialistically, you need to say thank you. They give you a birthday present, or they give you a present because you scored really good marks. When our parents do that, we do not often say thank you. Please say thank you so much. So that is why thank you is such a powerful word, guys. And it also makes other people feel that you feel valued when others give you give you something and you are happy. See, sometimes maybe we do not like the gift that they give, or maybe we are just too frustrated with them, but still, guys, some people are there who are often all ears to listen whatever you have to say, because sometimes we are in such a we are really down as human beings. There are really hard times, so we sometimes feel yaar koi to mil jaye baat karne ke liye, because we need someone to share our feelings, to share our opinion and our perspective, to get the load off your chest. There are always people who will listen to you. The good people will listen to you. Maybe you have something to share with your parents, your closest and dearest friends. They will always lend some time for you to speak without them judging. Then also you need to be very thankful. Okay, and let's talk about please. So guys, whenever we need to get our things done, we should definitely say please. If you want somebody to work for you, if you want somebody to help you, you have to definitely say please. And whenever you're convincing somebody for something, I'll tell you guys, if you want to go to go to a picnic with your friends, I have seen many people these days that simply like papa mujhe jana hai. What is jana? You need to ask them, right? I mean, there is a basic permission that you need to get from your parents, and if they do not agree, I think you need to convince them even more by saying the word please. Please is very polite, guys. Even in formal situations, that please word should be used a lot. Okay, and it is very respectful when you use such phrases. And the next one is sorry. You have a lot of things in life, guys, and saying sorry is very important, because as I said, we tend to do a lot of mistakes. To err is to human, so we are bound to make a lot of mistakes. But does that mean we do not say sorry to people? See, if we have done a particular mistake, please take that blame on yourself. Please take that responsibility of blaming yourself when you have done that mistake. When that mistake was done by you, please say that, yeah, it was done by me, I'm sorry. Whether it is a mistake physically, or maybe you have spoken to someone in a wrong manner, in a rude manner. In a lot of conversations we are very frustrated, the anger level is on top, and we do not even care about whatever we are speaking. The words are just flowing out and you have no control over them. What should you do in such cases is come back to that person and say sorry. Say sorry in the situations where you did not have control of what you were saying. And also say sorry when you did a particular mistake, whether it was intentional or whether it was unintentional. Please say sorry. Okay, that is a very important word, guys. And many times we do things intentionally to hurt others, or maybe in conversations. You should know that limit, guys. When you should know how to react in conversations. Just because somebody says something, you do not have the right to just be furious and be aggressive over them. and later on saying sorry. So sorry becomes only powerful when you are sorry becomes only powerful when you're aware of your mistake and you sincerely try to rectify it the next time. Try to not do it the next time. Suppose you're shouting at a person randomly, you say sorry to that person, and you should not be doing that again. If you repeatedly do that again and again and you say sorry to someone, that is not gonna work. People are not gonna value a sorry. Okay, so please start using this magic words, guys, and in a very sensible manner, and be honest whenever you're doing things. As I said, sorry, please, thank you, you should be really honest when saying them. Or I mean, thank you, I think that is very exceptional, because many a times maybe we do not like what people do, or but if they have put out their heart into it, suppose our mom makes something at home, we often tend to ignore their efforts and just say, if that whatever your mom made some roti and curry, that did not turn out well, it turned out really bad, you can say it was really bad, but thank you for making lunch, mom. Instead of just going on and on complaining, please say thank you instead. Please be kind towards the people, because they make a lot of efforts to please you, to make you happy. You have to understand those efforts behind that. Okay, whenever there is a particular work, there is a lot that goes behind. You have to understand that behind the scenes as well. Okay, thank you so much. And whenever you're saying sorry to the person next time, be very intentional and make sure that you do not repeat such kind of a mistake. Yeah, you have to be very sincere when saying so. Okay, you should sincerely try to not repeat what you did the previous time. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. So that's the end. I hope you like this video. If you did so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.